And today we have invited the parents of these our daughters so that we formally hand over these our daughters to them for onward traveling back to Maga. And I assured you that government will make adequate arrangements, security arrangement for your onward traveling back home. And also we thank our leader, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for giving directives to the Minister of State Defense to relocate to Kebbi, and the NSA office under the leadership of Malam Nuguribadu.
On behalf of the parents, we thank His Excellency for his tireless efforts to see that these girls are returned safely. On behalf of the parents also, we thank the government of Kebbi State, particularly the efforts shown by His Excellency in rescuing these girls back and being united to their parents once again.
Ni lokacin da abun ya faru, ina mai kullum ba uwayen yara mata shawara da cewa su yi haƙuri, inda Allah ya sa yaran garabinmu ne, tunda hannun gwamnati aka anshe ta, to abin da suka ga ya gagari gwamna, an so wa'yan ga yara to mu yi tawakkali haka Allah hukumta da su.